Guys, I have started a lot of episodes this year by dissing the actor I hate the most. We all know who it is. So why stop? So why stop now? Right, is what I say. I feel the number one thing I wish in 2026 and moving forward is that stops acting altogether.
What the fuck?
And-
bro?
And for all her roles to go to my good friends Snehal and Abbas collectively.
पूरे roles हम लेके क्या
Fine,
करेंगे?
I'll dress
Because I
provocatively.
believe they can be better women in movies, firstly. And they would look hotter in those outfits that she wears in every movie.
Where is this
Uh,
going?
if someone listening and watching can take AI images, make AI images happen of Snail and Abbas on body for reference, would be great. Welcome to Pop Conversation,
don't
guys.
encourage the use of AI.
AI, dude.
Unethical use of AI.
If an artist would be so inclined to dedicate their time,
Yeah,
to
if you
dedicate
draw
their
it,
time.
then sure.
क्या विश लिस्ट एपिसोड ऐसे स्टार्ट होगा मैंने कभी लाइफ में
हाँ,
नहीं
क्या, where are you segueing into?
This is my wish list, guys. This is my entire wish list is gonna revolve around and everything that she should not be doing.
ब्रो आई थिंक यू आर ऑब्सेस्ड
I think I am.
Yeah.
I think I am.
आई थिंक इट्स वो नहीं होता कि अगर आप एक इंसान को इतना पसंद करते हो कि आपको ये बार बार जताना पड़ता है कि मैं उसको नापसंद करता हूँ
Correct.
आई थिंक
I'm secretly in love.
You know how homophobic people are actually gay.
Yeah, true.
yeah that's exactly the case with
I'm
you
phobic. Welcome to Pop Conversation. My name is Manoj Thakur, joined by
Snail and Eja.
and
Abbas moment.
And that long intro was to tell you guys that today we are doing a much awaited episode. We get
Yes.
a lot of requests for this episode that we haven't done in how long now, man?
भाई
At
6 महीने
least
6-7 महीने तो
6
हो गए
months.
हाँ.
for sure.
It is the wish list episode.
yes,
Yeah, party times. What do we wish, guys? What are our biggest wishes
अगर
at the
आपको-
end of 2025?
अगर आपको एक जीनी मिलता है और कहता है कि ये रही आपकी 3 विशेस जो आपको मैं ग्रांट कर दूंगा तो वो क्या रहेंगी 3 विशेस
Now, if one of us says, "Okay, oh, I want 1,000 more wishes," I'll kill that person right now. The most cliche of answers. Okay. I wish I will waste all these 3 wishes in Janhvi Kapoor not acting.
Oh man. What the fuck?
अंतरिक्ष का विश्लेष जानवी कपूर नॉट एक्टिंग जानवी कपूर की सारी पिछली पिक्चरों में उसको
Replace.
रिप्लेस कर दो
That's where AI can be used. I wouldn't mind using AI for that purpose and that purpose alone. What realistically, and I'm thinking, what are you guys? You have an answer?
Immortality, bro.
Nice.
Yeah,
Not at all,
Don't ever die.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं चाहिए
Then
मेरे को ये
ability
तो।
to fly.
I would like the AQI to get fixed. Is that
Wow.
something? you wish?
Bro
Okay.
ये तो
Why
आप-
don't you
आपको
join? You
तो-
don't need a
I'm a good
genie.
Samaritan. Good Samaritan.
आपको तो दिल्ली में होना चाहिए
दिल्ली में होना चाहिए to make this happen. I'm like the world. Let the
नहीं,
world have
genie
good
भी हाथ
AQI.
ऊपर कर लेगा, बोलेगा
भाई,
भाई
ये तो हम
ऐसा
सुना
कुछ बोल
पाएगा।
जो कर सकूं मैं।
जिनी दिल्ली जाके बोलेगा अब तो तुझे जाना पड़ेगा भाई
Snail coming in with political jigs.
या अब तो तुझे जाना पड़ेगा
Man,
भाई।
Abbas asked for immortality and he was like, sorry, have you seen the AQI? And I can't make that happen. What are you talking about? Dude?
मरना तो पड़ेगा तुझे भाई।
Yeah, sorry, bhai.
Third, probably like unlimited supply of hot chicks, bro.
So, Janhvi Kapoor.
You guys have heard that joke, right? Something
Abbas
like
actually-
a genie, मतलब 2 लोगों को ऐसे जीनी मिलता है या कुछ तो एक से पूछता है वो कि तुझे क्या चाहिए तो बोलता है कि every hot woman in the world should fall in love with me. Then he asks his friend, what's your one wish? I wish that he becomes gay.
That is proper Makchori. Proper Makchori. Love it, love it. So, how are we going about this episode, guys? Previously, what we have done is we have chosen categories. And then in those categories, we have come up with our own ideas of what could be made into films,
Yeah.
or maybe even shows. Could we have
web series,
web
whatever.
series, or whatever? The idea is that we have to kind of give maybe not a completely fleshed out plot. We have to at least inklings of where the story could
क्या
go,
हो
what it
सकता है,
could be.
कैसे हो सकता है, etc.,
Exactly,
etc.
exactly. The categories that we have chosen this time, and
Yes.
I think previously also we did.
ये
this
आई
one.
थिंक जो हमने पहली बारी विश्लेष किया था तब ये वही वाली कैटेगरीज है
Okay.
जिसको आई थिंक अब तो 1.5-2 साल हो गए
हाँ, शायद।
आईवीएम में किया था हमने
Okay, so the categories are a biopic, a significant historical event, and genre that we want to
Yes.
see more in the fore. And it has not been that. So, what we want, what's a person or persons whose biopic that we want? What's a historical event
Yeah.
that we think can be made into a movie or web series? And what's a genre that we want to see a resurgence of, or we want to see more of?
मोस्टली क्या होता है कि ये वाले जो तीनों कैटेगरीज होते हैं वो एक दूसरे में ब्लेंड भी हो सकते हैं
Yes,
क्योंकि
correct.
वो इवेंट्स ही ऐसे ही है
Oh, great! So I could have thought of one movie. That's great, dude. पहले क्यों नहीं बोला ये सबसे? I wasted my entire day.
but yeah, so that's the criteria that we're gonna go with.
And is that the order also that we're gonna stick to?
Yeah, let's start with biopic because that's the most relatable to people. No, historical event अब हो सकता है कुछ को पता हो कुछ को ना
Oh,
पता
my
हो.
historical event. I'm gonna win that one. Is this competition again?
For you,
मतलब
everything
यहाँ
is
you
competition.
Yeah.
make
So I'm gonna
everything
win the
competition.
historical
So, yeah.
one for sure. Biopic.
ठीक
I'm happy with mine.
But by
And
the
genre,
way,
I'm okay.
बायोपिक आई रिमेंबर जब हमने पहली बार ही किया था तो मैंने युवराज सिंह बोला था that युवराज सिंह बायोपिक should be
वो
made.
बन रही है क्या?
I think वो बन रही है, yes.
Oh, someone watches our
Who's
show,
playing
man.
His father.
His father himself.
No,
of course,
Wait.
nobody
No,
else can
like
play.
no, the casting is not locked. ऐसे ही बोल रहा हूँ मैं.
Who is making the movie? Like director?
अभी कुछ नहीं पता है. अभी कुछ भी नहीं पता
Okay,
है.
they just.
अभी हाँ, like I think युवराज in one of the interviews said कि casting पे काम चल रहा
Well,
है.
actually, a great person.
Bro,
to make a biopic
great.
about. What an epic biopic.
Bro, the fact that this person is grooming players without
Dude, don't use the word grooming.
No, no, in the
That's
in the
negative
cricketing
connotation.
sense.
I know, I'm joking.
अब grooming का क्या मतलब होता है भाई?
भाई क्या बात कर रहा है? Every episode you have to explain these terms to you.
Bro, how is grooming a negative term?
It is. I mean, it is.
That's what Epstein used to do.
mostly
Let's say.
Epstein, Diddy.
ए,
Yeah, dude.
तुम लोग का दिमाग में कचरा
हम
है.
लोग के दिमाग में कचरा नहीं है.
Your तेरी language कचरा है वैसे.
पढ़ के आ जाएगा.
He's been training. ठीक है?
हाँ, sure.
Okay.
Better.
ठीक है, training.
Yeah.
तो like normally क्या होता है
Yeah,
कि-
Yuvraj, you're not grooming anyone.
Yeah.
You're
I like the
training.
thought युवराज उसके किसी के बाल बना रहा है बैठ के ग्रूम कर रहा है पीछे से कर्ल्स दे रहा है
बट जैसे नॉर्मली क्या होता है लाइक इंडियन क्रिकेट में आपने देखा है कि जो बड़े बड़े प्लेयर्स रहे हैं पहले वो किसी ना किसी बीसीसीआई पोजीशन में आने के बाद या कोच बनने के बाद या कुछ मेंटोरशिप रोल लेने के बाद दे एक्टिवली स्टार्ट वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स द गेम.
तो युवराज का बाप भी तो वही कर रहा है.
युवराज का बाप तो अपना पूरा एकेडमी
What's his
चला
name?
ही रहा है.
जोगिंदर
हाँ?
नहीं what's his dad's name?
युवराज.
युवराज.
yeah, sorry.
तो युवराज के फादर जो है वो तो अपना एकेडमी चला ही रहे हैं बट युवराज ने जैसे ही स्पॉटेड पंजाब क्रिकेट से कुछ
युवराज
प्लेयर्स
जो वहाँ अब्यूज होते हैं सारे वो उनको बुलाते हैं. ये आजा मैं तुमको थेरेपी भी दे
नहीं
दूंगा.
but like शुभमन गिल is one of Yuvraj's student.
Okay.
What are you saying?
Yeah, bro. Abhishek
What?
Sharma is Yuvraj's student.
What?
Bro, crazy. He
What?
has handpicked like 4-5 पंजाब क्रिकेट से
Like he's-
उसने
Wow,
बच्चे
that's-
वो जो क्रिकेट में आगे आना चाह रहे थे उनको
अच्छा,
उसने
वो बच्चे
बकाया
ग्रूम कर रहे हैं.
He's like the Dharmesh sir of the cricket world.
Probably.
Like Dharmesh sir is to dance.
तो उसने लाइक उनको प्रॉपर उसने ट्रेनिंग दे के अपने साथ रख के कैंप्स वैम्प्स एटसेट्रा तो ये सारे ऑल ऑफ देम रियली रिस्पेक्ट
That is sick,
Yuvraj
dude.
and
That
he's
is
been doing that for like a long time without any media coverage attention and all.
Yeah.
अभी जाके अभिषेक जब इतना फटा आईपीएल में जब उसने इतने रन मारे तब जाके कि एक गौरव कपूर ने आई थिंक इंटरव्यू में कहीं
अच्छा,
बात
okay,
उठी
हाँ.
तो वो बात मीडिया में आई कि भाई युवराज हैज बीन like
grooming.
working towards
That's damn cool.
the
Training.
Dude, even the whole journey of him being
Cancer.
diagnosed with cancer, and
Crazy,
then coming out of
crazy
that and
journey,
having a comeback after that is crazy, dude.
yeah
Amazing. What an inspiring, amazing story. That's a great one. So
Go
Sneha's
check that
biopic is done.
yes
Okay. So, let's go. Let's get into our
Biopic?
list.
yeah biopics yes
Who wants to go first?
I don't want to go first.
so you go first then
हाँ, समय रोड़ा दो.
अरे because you are so confident about your choices.
Yeah, bro.
You guys are
See,
not confident at all, or what is?
Whether we agree with your choice or not, you always have an interesting choice.
that is true. That is
Yeah,
true.
you want to suck my dick a little less.
starter.
विक्रांत मसीह पे तो नहीं बना रहा ना biopic.
Guys, my biopic is on the amazing actor of 12th Fail. No, it's not. It's not.
Played by
Which-
the
which
amazing
is-
actor of
The
the
which itself was a biopic. 12th.
Well, yeah, exactly.
yeah.
It was. Yeah,
Yes,
so
it was.
biopic within biopic. That's not been done, dude. Whoa, that blew my mind. Is that even possible? How do you play that? Yeah, Man on the Moon is a biopic within a biopic,
Probably, yeah.
in a way,
Yeah.
right? Anyway, guys, I thought of many personalities, okay, who could potentially, in today's world, get an epic biopic, right? maybe for instance, Ratan Tata could be one of them. Okay, recently
Yes.
passed away. Could be a great life
Yeah.
to document.
Yes.
He was the Tatas since the very beginning. At least since independence, have been very centrally involved in the idea of nation building
Yeah.
in certain ways. So he
Yeah.
could be a great person
Correct.
because his ideology is what is reflected in a lot of Tata and its subsidiary companies, right?
Mm.
So that could be a great person. Another great person is Satyajit Ray, for instance.
Yeah.
Right?
Oh, even I googled him, but apparently there's already a
There's-
biopic in the Bengali
Yeah, and
language.
there are many other films inspired by
Inspired
Ray's
by
life,
his
but
life,
yeah,
yes.
Exactly.
full-fledged biopic I don't think has been made
Okay.
on his life.
Okay, but
But
a rare biopic
yeah.
is on two people together.
Okay.
Raghu and Rajiv. Guys.
Raghu Rajiv, the biopic. I feel a great epic biopic would be the life of Salim Javed.
Ooh.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
Nice.
Already, you can already figure out the amazing beats, right? Them coming together, a likeness of minds,
Yes.
meeting with Ramesh Sippy for the first time, writing their first movie Zanjeer, which became a massive hit. Then
Yes.
first meeting with, say, Amitabh Bachchan.
Yeah.
Epic moment.
By firstly,
Okay.
to them meeting them like with each other.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah,
Yeah.
meeting together. That's what I'm saying. So that's how
Fact
they
that
recover.
Salim Khan was an actor.
Salim Khan
Yeah,
was an
yeah.
actor,
Was
so
an
that
actor,
could
yes.
also be shown as like a potential,
And
keynote in the.
Javed
thing.
Akhtar comes from a lineage of Urdu poets, like legendary Urdu poets.
Great, just
Yeah.
these two meeting, having that Jugalbandi together. Okay, could be epic. Also, dude, that whole era has that 70s retro
Yeah.
disco
Yeah.
vibe, which is
Salafara
an
Khan.
epic. Yeah, exactly. Already
Director.
an epic. Like already an
Era.
epic era
Yeah,
to
yeah,
basically to
yeah.
portray
Fair,
because
fair.
everything is already groovy and nice and costumes look amazing, hairstyles are fucking crazy. So that, right? Then even after when they broke up, they broke up in 1982. But I don't know if you guys know this. They had written movies which released after they broke up, like Mr. India.
Mr.
Yeah.
India. yeah.
Okay. That's crazy. No other. These are also the first screenplay writers almost in history. Firstly, the biggest screenwriters in history.
Yeah.
At least in India of all time. Okay. And they're the only ones who reach superstar status. Who else can do that?
Fucking charging more than the star of the
Dude,
film.
that Amitabh Bachchan.
Yeah.
That again, great moment to show.
उसके
That
अंदर-
just the audacity,
Yeah,
right?
डॉक्यू में बोला तो ये कह रहे कि हमने बस जाके पूछा कि वो कितने ले रहा है
Yeah.
इतने
उससे
हम
एक
उससे
रुपया।
एक ज्यादा लेंगे
epic. Just symbolically, right? Because see, we know that without a good script and a good screenplay, you can't have a good movie,
Yeah.
and that very often gets underlooked, and that's why writers till date are like not paid
Yeah.
as fairly as they would like to be. So this movie could even talk about that aspect of it, right? Why these guys stepped up, how they helped other writers in their industry in a way by just
Existing.
symbolically existing.
Ah.
Yeah, exactly, right? Then after that, so then it should actually, the end moment of this movie should be their breakup, and then the two movies that released after the fact. I'm forgetting. Mr. India was one of them. One more was, I'm forgetting the name of it right now. But and then that could be the aftermath. Okay,
also like wouldn't a very good end be like them coming together after the
Yeah.
breakup
coming together after the breakup to meeting at the screenings of these movies is something
Yeah.
could be like a great
Probably,
symbolic
yeah.
moment, right? And we could see like a young Salman or a young Farhan or Zoya, right? That could be interesting
I was
also.
thinking Salman and Farhan will play Salim and Javed.
Oh, I did not think of that, dude. That's
I
amazing.
think Farhan तो फिर भी pull off कर लेगा Javed Akhtar. I don't know how Salman will pull off Salim Akhtar.
bro they are carbon copies of each
Yeah,
other
they are, dude. They are.
fully carbon
the
copies of each
demeanor
other.
and everything is
Yeah.
very different, bro.
Yeah.
Bro Salman will आपने देखा सलीम
Dude, I would love
सलीम
that.
आपने देखा होगा जवानी में वो सलमान वैसा ही
क्या
था
मतलब है तेरा मैंने देखा
am I wrong
हाँ मैं
bro?
था वहाँ रूम में जब वो
Bro,
शोले लिख रहे थे
Abbas, you just made my movie epic. I love this. Thank you, bro. Yeah, I think a fantastic movie. Interesting in so many ways. It can have it can be a love letter to writing,
Yes.
to screenplay, to movies.
which I was expecting the documentary to be
Dude,
actually.
see, like Superboys from Malegaon was a love letter to movies also,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
This could be that in like a much more slick, savvy
Yeah.
kind of screenplay kind of way.
and much more relatable to people जो उनकी
In the
movies
mainstream,
देख के
yeah.
बड़े भी हुए हैं.
Correct. And again, such a mainstream movie this would be
Yeah,
because
for
these two
sure.
people got lives.
for sure
And amazing, dude. Farah Khan could be a potential director that I would really like.
yeah.
Raju Hirani would be awesome in this.
bro yeah,
but he would,
I was
yeah,
thinking of Raju
because
Hirani,
you know you'll have that comedic moments and serious moments, and you'll have like those feel good crying out loud moments. I would like to see that.
Raju
Vasan
Irani will
Bala
be able to
would be
do a
nice.
lot of anecdotes that Javed Akhtar narrates, where he says कि वो उनके पास पैसे नहीं होते थे तो वो सेंगदाना खाते खाते मरीन ड्राइव से बांद्रा तक चलते चलते जाते थे.
Bro,
और ये सब
amazing.
जो-
Another Javed Akhtar himself could be narrator in the movie. Okay, the narrator's voice could be Javed Akhtar's voice. That would be an epic nod to
Yeah.
the
You know that
people.
initially Dil Dhadakne Do, the dog's narration was supposed to be done by Javed Akhtar.
Oh, that's crazy,
But
dude.
then Zoya Akhtar changed it last minute to Amir Khan.
Oh yeah, he mentioned this at in
Yeah,
Sapan
yeah,
ka that live
yeah,
show that he
yeah,
did with
correct.
Sapan and all, and he mentioned के मुझे कुत्ते का रोल दे दिया इन लोगों ने. सारे डायलॉग्स मेरे से लिखाते हैं, लिरिक्स मेरे से लिखाते हैं, अपने कुत्ते का रोल दे दो.
By the way, talking about Salim Javed, I recently watched Sholay in theaters.
Yeah, I told you.
Dude, mind blowing. Dude, again, Sholay Diwar are footnotes. You know,
Why
in
does
thing.
he not have
Of
more
course.
shows? I don't understand.
भाई पता है सो कितनी खूबसूरत फिल्म और कितनी इम्पैक्टफुल फिल्म. सो मेरी बहन ने शोले फुल लेंथ एक साथ बैठ के नहीं देखी.
मैंने भी कभी नहीं देखी.
ठीक है, फुल लेंथ एक साथ. क्या बात कर रहे
हाँ,
हो
मैंने शुरू से आखिर तक
तो
कभी नहीं
शुरू
देखी.
से आखिर तक मेरी बहन ने अभी तक एक जगह बैठ के
I've seen
नहीं
all
देखी
of
थी.
it, but I've
हाँ,
never seen
same,
it
same.
from start
So
to
I think
finish.
that's a
I love it.
similar case with my sister as well. So that was the first time she was sitting in the theaters and watching it, right? Bhai, the impact of the film, she cried at the end. This is a film made in like released in 1975.
1975.
50 साल बाद.
That is wild. Yeah.
most of the cast is not there right now. ठीक है, एंड उसके बावजूद उस फिल्म की राइटिंग, उस फिल्म के इमोशंस, उस फिल्म की एक्टिंग इतनी इम्पैक्टफुल है कि उस जनरेशन से 30 साल बाद पैदा हुई एक जनरेशन को भी अगर उसने
Dude.
पिक्चर में रुला दिया.
Yeah.
That is crazy. And while I was watching the film, I realized one thing that has drastically changed in the industry. Dude, everybody looks human in Sholay.
Right. Nobody's touch up.
Dude, in today's times, nobody is looking human in the film. The relatability fact, like Dharmendra ji is considered He-Man, right?
Yeah.
And that was his peak, right? But he, despite being the epitome of handsome, is still looking fucking relatable, achievable, human. और आज के टाइम पे nobody is even close to as handsome as Dharamji was in his prime,
Right.
and yet none of them look human.
Yeah. So, dude, like continuing down this the Salim Javed thought, right? Like there is a movie. I don't know if Abbas, maybe you've seen it. I don't know. You tell me if you have. On the life of this writer from the Howard Lampoon called the Duck Anyone, where this is the movie that Joel McHale played Chevy Chase.
Correct. Yeah.
I forgot what's called.
The
Series.
Netflix movie, right?
Yeah. Some
The लंबा सा नाम है.
yeah
कुछ उसका.
yeah कुछ तो लंबा सा ही नाम है. Can you just look this up while I continue the thought? So basically, so in that, no, they have real people who exist, who are actually, some of them are still alive, played by other actors. Okay, and so like the casting is very well done. Like for instance, who I just mentioned, Joel McHale plays Chevy Chase. Okay, and the connection here is that Joel McHale and Chevy Chase later in Chevy Chase's career acted in Community together. They were like co-stars.
Nice.
So great. So that kind of stuff can happen in the Salim Javed doc, where Dharmender is cast as a Sunny or a Bobby, is like a nod to that, right? He's playing, they're playing Sunny. Farhan maybe
Like
is
ulta,
playing-
matlab like Sunny or Bobby is playing Dharmendra.
yeah, Dharmender, like
Yes,
that, right? Or a version of that. Even like other actors
Understood.
can
Fair,
play,
fair,
but
fair.
could be like interesting casting choices where you look at them, oh, this is here in the
Yeah,
movie because
yeah,
of this. Oh,
yeah.
that's crazy, dude. That's, so a lot of those interesting moments could happen. So you can also show instances from the set of Sholay, like how this whole Sanjeev Kumar
Yes,
wala part, where the story of how Dharmender and Hema were a thing, but Sanjeev Kumar was also interested in Hema so he wanted to do the role of Viru.
Of Viru, yeah.
But he was, but then Dharmender was like, no, I'll do Viru. Let him do Thakur only.
Yeah,
because Hema and my thing is gonna be
The
Epic.
Netflix movie is called A Futile and Stupid Gesture.
a few times. It's actually great movie. Recommend that
Nice,
also
nice.
if you
So
watch
I was
it
just
out.
thinking
Yeah.
this Hollywood में बहुत सारी screen writing या screen writers के ऊपर फिल्में हैं.
Yeah.
There's a film called Trumbo. There's a film called Adaptation, which are about screenwriters. But I don't think मेरे दिमाग में तो Indian film
Dude,
कोई
have you seen
आ नहीं
Mank?
रही है. Mank also
Yeah.
is a very good. So
the-
it's very interesting
yeah.
क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि मतलब writing is such a boring thing to do, right? You sit down at a table and type things out. But these films have visualized the
the entire
concept
process,
of writing,
yeah.
the process of writing. So this could be a very interesting
Nice,
way.
good,
to
good,
Like,
good.
so I was
biopic
scared
option.
of choosing this option, of thinking of
Why?
this option, because I was like, it might overlap because these guys are so mainstream, and we just saw that documentary, which is again amazing. Recommend that also. Can't recommend enough. But I thought you guys would. I'm very surprised neither of you thought of this, so I'm very happy. That it happened.
और हमने तो अभी तो बोला ही नहीं है अपनी choices.
हो सकता है हमने सोचा
मैं-
और अब
हम
हम
दोनों
आपको
का वही-
सरप्राइज करें
you
इनका
guys-
सलीम मेरा जावेद
You guys were so surprised when I was like, oh, and then you guys voted that. Like, let's go.
nice नहीं but good
Thank you,
option.
thank you, thank you.
Nice would watch
Bro, you know what? Just thinking out loud, you can frame the entire film as if Salim and Javed were the Jay and Viru. Like
Whoa,
as a
love
framing
it.
device in the movie.
Love it, dude.
Just like,
Love it. Oh, that's amazing, dude.
nice
Oh, wow.
Snail's not impressed anyway.
नहीं I am
Damn good.
I am very good nice
But
Epic,
nice.
great idea,
Greenlit,
great
your
idea.
movie has been
yeah
greenlit
your
as
movie has
Must.
been greenlit
Done.
yes nice
Yes, Salman Khan Productions, Eros International. Let's make it happen. Tiger Belly. All of this. All you guys.
could very well be
Yeah.
Snail, who do you have?
oh you want me to go next I have my nomination for the next big biopic the country will see is of Bechendri Pal
Ooh,
Who is that?
Mountaineer.
mountaineer the first
Oh, yeah?
woman the first Indian woman to climb the Mount Everest Bechendri Pal school में पढ़ाते थे भाई Tenzing Norway Bechendri Pal
yeah.
so she is the first woman who ever climbed the Mount Everest the first Indian woman
When she lose?
I think it was in 84 when she was 30 years old
Okay, wow.
and which was also I think a few days before the 31st anniversary of when the Mount Everest was first
Climbed.
climbed.
Acha.
Okay, how
ठीक
old
है.
are you of us?
When this happened?
No, how old are you right now?
I'm 37.
I'm 33.
28.
So you're the only one who has 2 years to accomplish this and beat her. We both are past our prime. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Can't do this.
So उनके ऊपर कोई फिल्म नहीं बनी है सरप्राइजिंगली जबकि इतना इम्पोर्टेंट और इतना बड़ा फीट जो है वो उनके नाम पे है एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री
Yeah, इतना ऊंचा feet भी.
Yeah, that's what. That. तो
Pun intended is what you want to say. Yes.
एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री है एन एंजल ऑफ द हिमालयाज
Okay.
उनकी बायोग्राफीज हैं जो उन्होंने किताबें हैं वगैरह वगैरह बट कोई भी फुल फ्लेजेड बॉलीवुड फिल्म नहीं है
Movie name Vertical No Limit. Hey. Okay,
ठीक है
if you know Vertical.
she is like Padma Bhushan which is the third highest honor of the country
Wow.
so I think and she's also an Arjuna awardee winner and Padma Shri as well
I'm so sorry. I don't know this, about this
I'm
story.
sure you
but
must have heard this in school.
is she still alive?
yeah
Oh, cool.
yeah she's still alive so that's what right I think this is a story that needs to be told
Yeah,
I
absolutely.
have an anecdote, like a second-hand anecdote.
yes please
So apparently Bachendri Pal. Again, I've heard this from someone. Okay, that where she stays. I think she stays somewhere in the hills only. तो उनका घर obviously एक टूरिस्ट अट्रैक्शन है तो लोग जाते हैं फोटोज वगैरह खिंचाते हैं सो देयर इज अ कजिन ऑफ माइन हु वेंट देयर विद हर फैमिली और वो टूरिस्ट स्पॉट बन जाता है ना तो अब लोग जा रहे हैं वो कर रहे हैं so one of my cousins who was very young at that time she went and plucked some flowers from the garden so she says Bachendri Pal herself came out to scold garden से तुम किसी के भी ऐसे फूल ये कर लो
nice.
Oh, nice, dude. Nice, dude.
This anecdote should be included in the biopic
so she says whenever she reads that because obviously there are textbooks and everything
Yeah.
she's and she has achieved so much
Yeah.
but in her memory it's that auntie who came out to tell me क्या फूल क्यों तोड़ा
but yeah
That's
dude
pretty
so
cool, Nice.
I think she's been leading a lot of
the mountaineers
yeah other mountaineers all women's groups she's been leading so I think that's a very interesting story for some like for a lady जो उस time पे मतलब आज women have to fight
yeah,
for rights
Mountaineering.
and for मतलब like a lot of basic stuff dude
For sure, for sure.
तो उस टाइम पे ये करियर पाथ लेना और उसको करियर पाथ को अचीव करना एंड देन लिटरली बिकमिंग द फर्स्ट वुमन टू एवर क्लाइंब द माउंट एवरेस्ट आई थिंक दैट्स अ स्टोरी राइट देयर
Dude, also in 84 climbing Mount Everest and climbing it today is very different.
It's very
Yeah,
very
it's
different
Very
dude.
different,
Very
dude.
different.
You can't even imagine the lack of amenities in 84. आज तो चलो चाहे बोले हम कि इंडिया के all these tourist locations का infrastructure great नहीं है 84 से तो बेटर ही होगा
हाँ 80% तो बेटर ही होगा
आज
yeah.
तो गैजेट भी हैं कितने
हाँ,
सारे टेक्नोलॉजी
exactly.
है सब
Yeah.
कुछ है But yeah.
So yeah,
उस time
crazy,
पे
bro,
चढ़ना,
can't imagine.
I
स्कूल
think
की यादें ताज़ा कर
हाँ
रहा है
वही
basically.
मैं एक्चुअली मैं अभी सोच रहा था तो मैं वही I was like कि this is a good story that people need to know because
This is tax-free movie for sure, dude. This is easily becoming tax-free.
easy और ऊपर से आप सोचो ना कि जो माउंटेनियरिंग फिल्म्स हैं उसके अंदर थ्रिल पॉइंट्स कितने ज्यादा हैं
Yeah.
कितने ज्यादा एंड
Too many.
अगर हम लोग क्या कहते हैं कि फिल्म में एक प्लॉट होना चाहिए कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होना चाहिए ये होना चाहिए वो होना चाहिए तो दिस फिल्म इज फिल्ड विद कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स लाइक इट विल कीप यू एट द एज ऑफ योर सीट आप लाइक she fighting for this dream, she's actually trying to achieve this dream, then she's actually on the mountain
Dude, even
trying to
even
climb.
some things like you know how movies will give like some creative liberty, they'll have some creative
Yeah.
liberty, right? So even stuff like if you get injured up there,
Fair, yes.
what the hell do you do?
Yeah.
There's nothing to be done. So if you're injured, you have to struggle with that injury,
True,
going
true.
up or coming down, whichever way you're going. I can't even imagine. I can't fathom that, dude. That is
Bro,
unbelievably
I was
crazy.
reading about this like climbing the Mount Everest तो उसमें एक बता रहे थे कि वहाँ पे एक पॉइंट आता है जिसको आई थिंक द डेथ वैली कहते हैं या डेथ कुछ ऐसा डेथ करके एक पॉइंट है वहाँ पे जिसको आपको क्रॉस करना ही है लाइक देयर इज नो अदर वे अराउंड अपना ऐसा जुहू तो जान ही रहे कि इधर से होके निकल लिए ठीक है तो वहाँ पे लाइक देयर आर एक्चुअल लाइक व्हाइल यू क्रॉस you actually see
Dead bodies.
bodies of mountaineers
Correct.
who tried to like cross
Famously.
that area
Yeah.
और वो नहीं कर पाए
Dude, absolutely. Because and their bodies are there because there's no way to bring them down.
Yeah,
there's
of
nobody to
The,
bring them down.
like,
yes.
how will you bring them down? It has to be a person or a Sherpa who has to carry that body down.
There
How
are
will you?
actually Sherpas जिनका पूरा job ही ये है
Yeah,
that
yeah,
they
yeah.
bring the
Correct,
dead bodies down.
Correct.
So yeah. अब जब मैं बचेंद्री पाल के बारे में सोच रहा था अबाउट लाइक फॉर द एपिसोड तो मुझे एक और नाम ऐसी रैंडमली याद आ गया जो स्कूल में पढ़ा था आई डोंट इवन क्लियरली रिमेंबर कि सही नाम बोल रहा हूँ कि नहीं बट देयर वाज दिस वन नेम कॉल्ड अप्पा शेरपा हैव यू हर्ड दैट नेम सो अप्पा शेरपा I think I'm pronouncing the name right.
Sounds like another biopic.
Bro, yeah.
It's a great name for a biopic. Appa Sherpa.
So he is apparently the person who has climbed the Mount Everest the most number of times.
Okay, हाँ.
Oh, that's a great biopic.
And at that time it was I think when
wow.
I was in my like long memory 18 times.
Oh wow.
That's crazy.
तो अब बस ऐसे ही मुझे बचेंद्री पाल के बारे में सोचते उससे याद आ गया मैंने उसको सर्च नहीं किया उस पर रिसर्च नहीं किया बट जस्ट मेंशनिंग बट या माय नॉमिनेशन फॉर अ बायोपिक इज
Nice,
बचेंद्री
interesting.
पाल माय कास्टिंग चॉइस वुड बी फॉर लाइक द बचेंद्री पाल बायोपिक पहला जो ऑप्शन है वो थोड़ा सुनने में ऐसा लग सकता है आपको कि अरे स्नेहिल व्हाट द फक ब्रो बट आई फुली स्टैंड बाय इट माय फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज कंगना रनौत
Oh.
I think she's one of the finest actresses that we have in our industry. It's just that थोड़े career choices जो हैं वो थोड़े इधर चला मैं
Yeah.
उधर चला
Dude, I can imagine
हो
her.
गया।
I can imagine her on the call with her father being, हाँ पापा मैंने ये एवरेस्ट क्लाइम कर लिया है. Totally.
ठीक है so one is Kangana Ranaut also पहाड़ी
Yes,
she's
yes.
also from Uttarakhand and she is also अब तो वहाँ की सांसद भी हैं
जी,
Yeah.
हाँ,
ठीक है and then my second option is Priyanka and the third option is Sania Malhotra. Priyanka Chopra and Sania Malhotra.
I think Kangana would be actually. I would like to see
Kangana
that.
is I think
I'd like to
perfect
see that.
casting bro.
I'd
बट क्या 84 में आजादी थी चढ़ने की?
असली आजादी तो हमें 2014 में मिली है.
Oh shit.
30 साल बाद.
But
Fair enough, man. That's pretty good. Yeah.
Bachendri Pal.
Okay. So my choice. for
Did
a
you have other?
biopic-
Did you think of other people? Was
Yes,
this like
I actually thought of one
Yeah?
more person and that's
वही अप्पा शर्पा.
no Sunil
Appa
Chhetri.
Pachar Kachale.
सुनील छेत्री.
Sunil
Appa Pachar Kachale. Odi
Bro,
bodi
सुनील छेत्री
odi.
क्या बुरा लग रहा है मेरे को.
Bro, I swear.
क्या
like,
क्या Sunil Shetty?
Sunil
Messi.
Chhetri.
Sunil Chhetri.
Sunil
Yeah, Sunil Chhetri.
I heard
So
Shetty, dude.
I recently went
Okay.
for that Messi event.
You did?
Yeah.
You went for that event?
Yeah.
Where the whole fiasco happened? You were there?
No, that
वो
was in
कोलकाता में
Kolkata.
था.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay.
ठीक है,
okay.
that was in Kolkata. I went for the Mumbai leg of it.
Oh, got it. So you
It
saw
was
that?
apparently the best organized
Oh, yeah?
of all the.
The best organized. Delhi was also pretty close. Delhi was
So
also
you saw the whole
very good.
you saw the whole Fadnavis thing.
Yeah, I saw
You were
the
there
whole-
for that?
Yes, I was there for that.
Did you laugh? Did you laugh?
But the fact that Mumbai crowd just booed everybody, left,
That's
right, and center,
hilarious.
except Sachin and Messi and Sunil Chhetri.
Chhetri.
Only
Nice.
3 people were barred from
Yeah,
the booth.
fair, bro.
And
Fair, bro.
fair.
bro.
Bro, मुझे तो समझ में नहीं आया. Like you have Ajay Devgan there, you have Tiger Shroff there.
उनको भी बुक कर दिया.
हाँ, bro, why was John Abraham not there? He's been silently doing so much for the sport.
Football, yeah.
Why the
why-
fuck was he not there?
But why did Ajay Devgan and Tiger get booed though?
Because
anybody,
it's a footballing
anybody
event.
who's not
Oh,
sports
they made it like a
related.
they made it like a political thing, dude. Like political grandstanding it became. No.
Yeah,
मतलब it was
also,
too much
हाँ.
felicitation.
Correct.
Yeah, fair.
But
People
anyway,
are there to watch
तो बनता है,
Messi,
fair. You're right.
sports people. So
Yeah.
People are there basically to see people who have achieved shit in their life. Like Tiger Shroff और Ajay Devgan भी क्या.
So Sunil Chhetri, I was there, and Sunil Chhetri, I believe, is a great story to be told. So आपको पता नहीं याद है?
एपिसोड के लिए रखना.
आपको
आज
याद
बता
उसने
देंगे.
पूछा कोई और ऑप्शन तो मैंने बता दिया.
No, you can just say Sunil Chhetri. and
That's it.
That's it.
Okay.
You don't have to
But
go
like,
into.
two major things that I want to highlight. A, he's actually the third highest goal scorer in the world,
yeah.
right behind Ronaldo.
What are you saying?
Ronaldo,
dude?
Messi, Chhetri.
What are you saying, dude?
A lot of people say कि
That's
अरे बट
amazing,
छेत्री
man.
का जो कंपटीशन है वो लोकल टीम से है और ये बट भाई छेत्री को जो ट्रेनिंग और जो इक्विपमेंट्स और जो प्रोफेशनलिज्म
Correct.
मिला है उसके हिसाब से उसने ये फीट अचीव किया दैट इज ग्रेटर देन
Messi
रोनाल्डो
and
एंड
Ronaldo,
मेसी
yeah.
जो प्रॉपर फुटबॉलिंग नेशन
Nation
से
से आते
आके ये अचीव कर पा रहे हैं.
That's insane, dude. You're right.
ठीक है, so that is one. Second, I don't know if you remember or not, a few years ago when Sunil Chhetri was actively playing, now तो he's retired, he was playing और इंडियन फुटबॉल का स्टेट बहुत खराब है एंड द फैक्ट दैट वी स्पेंट मोर देन 150 crores on hosting Messi instead of actually building a footballing infrastructure.
Can someone explain to me what was this Messi event?
Bro, it was just to
Corporate event.
it was a corporate
It was
event.
just like, hi Messi, आ गया देखो, enjoy करो, बस. That's it. He didn't.
I'll tell you the schedule also what happened.
That's
you know?
so bizarre.
And bro, yeah, I'll tell you. But anyway, so a few years ago, I think 1 या 2 साल पुरानी बात ही है. Sunil Chhetri, literally Chhetri, the captain of the
Letter
Indian
लिखा था
football
ना,
team. भाई उसने रील डाला था. उसने रील डाला था लिटरली P2C, पीस टू द कैमरा. प्लीज हमें फुटबॉल खेलते देखने के लिए स्टेडियम्स में आओ.
Oh, yeah,
100 रुपए की
remember
टिकट्स हैं, 150 रुपए की
Yeah,
टिकट्स हैं,
yeah,
फ्री एंट्रीज हैं. प्लीज हम लोग बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, आप हमें देखने आओ. बिल्ड एन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. ही लाइक कैन यू इमेजिन fucking विराट कोहली और रोहित शर्मा रिलीजिंग अ वीडियो कि प्लीज हमें देखने आओ. सो द फैक्ट दैट हम लोग like we know that there is football fandom in the country and yet we are not tapping onto the infrastructure that
Yeah,
itself
fair.
is Sunil Chhetri actually gave a very strong statement when Sunil Chhetri was invited for this Messi event. He actually said no. पहले he said कि this is not helping the football infrastructure of a country और हमारा country का infrastructure इतना shambles में है, तुम मेरे को इस corporate event के लिए बुला रहे हो. And then when he finally came, he actually posted on Instagram that the fan in me won over the player in me, but then eventually everybody was happy.
Yeah.
So these two are landmark events in Sunil. And then after that video, जो next match था पूरा stadium भर गया था उससे. So that was also like a very feel good moment. Coming to the Messi event, 5 बजे event start हुआ. कुछ performances हुए.
Like dance performance.
Dance performance, DJ performance, ठीक है.
Did anyone come and do football skills or anything?
I'll tell you.
Compared to football.
5:40 पे मेसी आता है. वो एक राउंड करता है. सॉरी 5:30 बजे सेलिब्रिटी फुटबॉल मैच स्टार्ट होता है 15 मिनट का, जो कि दो उन्होंने पिच जिसमें छेत्री, जिम सार्ब, डिनो मोरिया ये सब थे. ठीक है.
Did anyone actually play well?
भाई इट वाज अ 15-20 मिनटर थिंग कि वो छोटा सा गोल पोस्ट, ट्रेनिंग गोल पोस्ट लगा के जस्ट फॉर द फन ऑफ इट.
वानखेड़े में था ये.
हाँ, वानखेड़े में था. भाई इतना बुरा हाल है कि ये भी हमें क्रिकेट स्टेडियम में कराना पड़ रहा है. एनीवे, ठीक है. तो ये हुआ. उसके बाद मेसी आया. मेसी ने आके पूरे ग्राउंड में एक लैप लिया. मेसी, सुआरेज एंड
क्या वानखेड़े फुल था क्या?
वानखेड़े फुल था डूड. एंड द
is
टिकट प्राइसेस स्टार्टिंग विद 10,000.
तूने कितना भरा?
भाई मेरे को तो मीडिया एक्सेस था तो मैं मीडिया एक्सेस से चला गया था. आई वुड हैव नॉट स्पेंट अ सिंगल रुपी ऑन दिस ब्रो. लाइक मेसी केम, वेव्ड, बस.
कुछ एक आधे फुटबॉल भी उसने मारे ना.
हाँ, सो वो वेव
Stands
का वही था कि he was going stand to stand, kicking footballs, waving, kicking
That's
footballs,
insane,
waving, and then he came to the stage, felicitation. That's it, just felicitation. कुछ बच्चे जो थे वो खेल रहे थे, जो उन्होंने किसी प्रोग्राम से, द गोट प्रोग्राम, जो भी एक प्रोग्राम का नाम है, उससे उन्होंने बच्चे चूज किए थे. मेसी ने उनके साथ वो खेला, फुटबॉल का पासिंग वो किया, 4 घेरे बना रखे थे.
It sounds like the most boring event
Bro,
ever, dude.
It was over in 45 minutes.
Of course. What else?
Messi came in at around 540.
What a
Messi
scam, dude.
went at
This is
around
a
like
scam.
645, 7
Yeah, Messi भी सोच रहा होगा, क्या लोग हैं ये लोग, मेरे को इसके लिए बुलाया मेरे को, ये पूरा ऑर्गेनाइज करके ये किया इन लोगों ने.
But what to do now, bro? Like that's
Dumb,
how
dude.
that's how
So
deprived the Indian audience is of international superstars
Yeah.
that we are fucking ready to pay tens and thousands of rupees just to see them wave their hands at us.
Ridiculous, dude.
And then
Come
what
on,
is
man.
happening? वो सचिन तेंदुलकर अपना क्रिकेट जर्सी उसको दे रहा है, वो अपना मेसी अपना फुटबॉल जर्सी सुनील छेत्री को दे रहा है. ब्रो द फक, तुम्हारे इंडियन फुटबॉल का गोट सुनील छेत्री वहां पर है और तुमने उसको मेसी का टी शर्ट बना रखा है. अबे और भाई दिल्ली में इन लोगों ने Jay Shah was invited and he has given cricketing jerseys to Messi and Suarez and
अबे
DePaul.
दिमाग.
अबे इंडियन फुटबॉल एग्जिस्ट करता है, फुटबॉल का जर्सी दो ना. इंडिया का T20 जर्सी देके क्या कर रहे हो? T20 जर्सी पे पीछे लिखा है मेसी 10, उसको पता ही, वो स्टार्स देख रहा है.
Yeah, stupid. Very stupid.
But yeah, that was the event. Anyway, Bachendri Pal, my number one pick for biopic. I can go on and on. I can go on and on.
No,
for the
please
event,
don't.
But I don't want
We've
to.
got enough, dude.
Fucking
Enough.
stupid. But anyway,
Alright.
yeah. Second
Nice.
pick would be Sunil Chhetri.
Cool.
Okay, ठीक है. Abbas,
Yeah.
biopic. What do you
Yeah,
want? What do you
I
want?
also have to give. नहीं, so interesting. It's interesting that you thought of a 2-person biopic. मेरा भी कुछ ऐसे ही है. So I was thinking.
3 people biopic.
No, so,
Farah Khan's children.
Three will biopic.
Karan
Pop
Johar.
conversation.
And pop conversation. Yes.
I was thinking which political figure ऐसा है जिसके ऊपर बन सकती है.
बस.
ठीक है?
Rahul Gandhi.
ये कट होने वाला है.
तो मैं सोचा कि मतलब politics in India is so serious, right? Everything either it's serious or it's
Bro,
controversial.
लालू प्रसाद यादव मत बोल दे रहा.
हाँ, तो मैं बोला कि कौन इंडियन पॉलिटिशियन है जिसका फनी वे में बायोपिक बन सकती है. ओके, आई थॉट लालू प्रसाद यादव. लालू प्रसाद यादव, यस, लालू प्रसाद यादव की खुद की जिंदगी इंटरेस्टिंग इनफ है कि आप उसके ऊपर बहुत कुछ बना सकते हो. बट यू वांट टू मेक इट मोर मसाला, मोर बॉलीवुड. You show the political rise and bifurcation of Lalu Prasad and Nitish Kumar.
Nitish Kumar.
Okay, these two people basically made what Bihar is in the 90s till today. Rose up together in student politics, had similar ideologies, similar party politics and all of that. Lalu Prasad Yadav was the more showman kind of a thing. Nitish Kumar was a more policy this thing. And then in the 90s, Nitish, what do you call, bifurcated into, he made his own party and went with the NDA. तो और फिर वो वापस आए, फिर अलग हुए, फिर वो वापस आए, फिर अलग हुए. But Nitish Kumar held on to the power for what is now going to be more than 20 years. So
20? 10th. अच्छा
20
10th वो है, 10th swearing in है.
हाँ,
है ना?
10th of क्या डेट?
CM.
10वीं बार.
I don't
तो
know.
50 साल हो गए बे.
हो सकता है,
नहीं,
गलत
नहीं.
बोल रहा हूँ.
हाँ,
कुछ
I
मैंने
think this is
10th
his
पढ़ा
4th
था.
or 5th this thing, क्या कहते हैं, term as a chief minister.
अच्छा.
A large part of the recent Bihar elections were Lalu Prasad Yadav's children.
Yeah. So
standing for the
now
elections and all, right?
technically Lalu Prasad Yadav has retired. It's his children running the party. Party is also more or less in shambles now.
Yeah.
But 90s Lalu Prasad Yadav was a force to be reckoned with. He was so fucking funny.
जब तक रहेगा समोसे में आलू bro.
Correct. Dude, I just recently came across this reel of a speech that Lalu Prasad Yadav made in
I will
Parliament
talk in English.
Hilarious.
Yeah, it's
Dude, people
very
are
funny.
losing their minds, dude.
Lalu Prasad Yadav's media interactions were crazy. Like I remember, I think there was this one clip where Lalu Prasad Yadav had his eyes closed in an ongoing session. ठीक है, तो मीडिया ने बाहर आके पूछा, when media actually asked questions, और उन्होंने आगे पूछा कि भाई आप सो रहे थे, and like फक बुढ़बा, सो कहाँ, ध्यान लगा रहे थे.
Bro, so Lalu Prasad for many years used to give a press conference on Holi. He used to be proper stoned in bhang pee ke.
Oh, that's hilarious.
What are you saying?
रंग
That's hilarious.
लगा के वो एक press conference देता था.
That's
Yeah.
It was
crazy.
hilarious.
That's
And then
But,
the famous
समोसे में आलू.
no, this guy Shekhar Suman.
Oh yeah, Tum Tum
Yes,
Tum.
of course.
Yeah.
Famous.
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 But
Famous.
even in the center, when UPA was when UPA was in government, Lalu Prasad Yadav was the railway minister.
Yes.
When NDA was in the government, Nitish Kumar was the railway
Railway
minister.
minister, yes.
तो वो मतलब वो अनबन और ये सब उनकी हमेशा से
चलता
रही है.
है.
So I think it will make for a great
Dude, yeah,
biopic,
interesting,
yet
yeah, no,
masala
pretty
film.
good.
Nice.
Plus you get your हिंदी हार्टलैंड आपको जो भी गैंग्स ऑफ वासेपुर दिखाना जो दिखाना
Yeah.
सब
Dude,
दिखा दो.
firstly that, and then you can cast other present day politicians in this
Yeah,
movie and
yeah,
show them
yeah.
their interaction with
Wishful
Lalu if they had
thinking,
any.
but sure.
मैंने कंगना कास्ट कर दिया है
हाँ
ठीक है
हाँ फिर इसमें भी कंगना तो होनी है.
हाँ fair.
Actually 90s you can still get away with. 90s के अभी
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
फिर भी दिखा सकते हो.
हाँ
yeah, yeah.
उतना
But
फैन
yeah,
सर्विसिंग
हाँ,
हुआ नहीं
हाँ.
अभी.
So yeah,
Fair,
that was my
Nice,
biopic
nice, good
choice.
job, good one.
Nitish and Lalu together
Good.
would make for a great.
Nice.
This one was the one that you were not very proud of.
I'm actually not proud of any of my choices today.
They're all political or in nature.
One more is political. Genre तो political हो नहीं सकता unless you say politics. चलो वही कर.
मेरा actually चलो ठीक है we'll come to it.
But yeah, my biopic is Lalu Prasad
Nice.
Yadav, but
Okay.
mostly Lalu Nitish.
Nice. The most interesting and the one that's gonna get greenlit the most easily
Yeah.
is mine, of course, Salim Javed.
Kind of.
Yeah, yours is
But
too political.
No, I think it's gonna be mine because आपके पे documentary बन चुकी है already.
But that's why.
तो they'll be like
Dude,
see,
के
we-
उसमें ना nationalism भी है ना.
Oh.
और ऊपर से वो भी है ना women empowerment भी है मेरे में.
अरे
Oh.
हर जगह का टैक्स राइट ऑफ लेके
Yeah,
भाई
आया
आपको क्या
भाई.
लग रहा है मैं और 3 घंटे कैब में घर गया रहा था.
but the one that'll earn most money is definitely mine.
that's
without a
gonna
doubt.
be yours. Yes,
Without a doubt.
I agree.
Your film will be more like luck by chance. Only film people will like it.
No, I don't think it's gonna be broader than that.
नहीं now Javed Akhtar is very viral on
That's
Instagram.
true.
So now I
Yeah,
think
yeah.
people will go just for the like
Probably.
yeah.
Okay.
Anyway, let's move on.
Let's move on to historical event.
Oh, हाँ.
What historical event
Oh,
would you like to see made into a
अब
movie or
आपको
web series?
अंतरिक्ष के चेहरे का ग्रिन दिख रहा है इस टाइम पे.
This is the one you are very proud of.
Yeah, he's
I'm-
like
I'm
I have the
very-
best one.
I'm locked and loaded, man.
चलो ठीक
But
है आप
please,
ही बताओ.
I started the previous one of you
चलो
started.
ठीक है मैं बहुत देर बोला हूँ पिछले वाले में तो आई थॉट चलो ठीक है बट एनीवे माय हिस्टोरिकल इवेंट
तो इसमें ज्यादा मत बोलना यार.
I don't have a lot to say in
Okay.
this.
Historical event when Messi came to Bombay.
That's great.
The historical event that I'm going to talk about talks for itself.
Okay.
It's that historical.
Something to talk.
I want to be like the film I want to be made from the point of view of a fly in the room
हाँ.
और उस रूम में लिखी जा रही थी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया. I want to be there. I want to know
Oh, bhai.
what was going on. What were the conversations that were happening. I like an unbiased, objective depiction of the writing of the constitution.
So
the
this could also
discussions
be-
that went through.
So this could also be in extension the biopic of B.R. Ambedkar, right?
No, not
So
at
that's the thing.
Could be,
He's the architect of the
Yes.
constitution, but he
Okay.
didn't write it alone.
Alone.
He had
Okay.
a
so many
Yeah,
people,
big-
so
yeah,
many
sure,
people.
sure.
So if you want to talk about biopic of B.R. Ambedkar, then there are so many other things that will come into the picture, right? But I am specifically talking about the writing process of the constitution. And writing का ये मतलब नहीं कि सारे एक दिन कमरे में बैठे और लिखने लग गए.
I mean, there's a reason it took 3 years.
3 years to write
for
the
the
constitution.
constitution to
So
come
I
out.
want a film made on those 3 years. कि कैसे B.R. Ambedkar को actually architect of constitution की उपाधि, like now that we talk about that, वो how it came into being. तो जैसे आज भी काफी लोगों को लगता है कि भाई कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन थी वो B.R. Ambedkar ने ही लिखी थी बैठ के पूरी. But the entire process, I think
There were debates.
there were proper debates,
yeah,
heated
yeah.
arguments, and so many things that went in. मतलब I think our country has the most elaborated constitution,
it does.
right?
And it's all recorded.
And
it's
yeah.
all there.
So ऐसा नहीं है कि बन नहीं सकती, बिल्कुल बन सकती है. हम लोग ने कौन सी कंट्रीज से क्या क्या लिया है, कितनी हमारी ब्रिटिश से
Dude,
इंस्पायर्ड है.
even just
या-
the preamble, because it gets into
Yeah,
so much
yeah.
contention with certain words in the preamble.
Yes.
Yeah,
So
you're
there,
right.
there are so
Right.
many things to be talked about. But like when I say that I want a film made on the Constitution, I don't want it to have a lens. I want it to be as objective as it can be.
Yeah,
And that's a little
yeah, right.
difficult.
That is, yeah.
and that's a difficult task.
that's
right
always going to be difficult,
Yeah.
regardless of who's in power.
now. I completely agree. It's
Yeah.
going to be always a very difficult ask, especially the 20 years that I can foresee right now.
Yeah, fair. But interesting for sure. But also could easily get into the territory of manipulating. What the constitution
Not really, I
means or
mean,
whatever. It depends on.
It's all written down. There are massive volumes of all of
वही
all
मैं कह
the
रहा हूँ, अगर आप
arguments that
चाहो
happened.
तो सब कुछ रिकॉर्डेड, सब कुछ आपके पास विद प्रूफ है. But then that's why it is also required for the filmmaker to be as responsible कि वो उस चीज को उतना
Exactly.
रिसर्च करके और उसी प्लेन
Exactly.
लेंस से दिखाए
ये-
instead of
Yeah.
ये पता है ये कैसी फिल्म मैं इमेजिन कर रहा हूँ, ऐसे एक बहुत पॉपुलर फिल्म है ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट 12 एंग्री मैन.
bro एक रुका
हाँ.
हुआ
Of course,
फैसला
bro.
उसका
एक रुका हुआ
Indian-
फैसला,
course, bro.
Indian,
जो उसका
Of
remake
course.
है, हाँ.
Yes.
Legendary movie.
So I'm imagining this something like
मेरा
that.
रेफरेंस
Yeah.
वही था उसी
Yeah.
रेफरेंस से आई वाज लाइक कि ऐसा कुछ अगर
Oh, I
बने
get
where
it.
we just debate
Correct,
we are
yeah.
debating we are listening to तभी मैं एक एपिसोड में आई थिंक मैंने पार्टी रेकमेंड करी
हाँ,
थी फिल्म
yes.
वो वाला पॉइंट भाई कि लाइक आपको
Nice.
डिफरेंट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज मिल रहे हैं एंड उससे आपको समझ में भी आ रहा है कि उस टाइम पे पॉलिटिकल सेंस हमारा कल्चरल सेंस हमारा सोशल एनवायरनमेंट कैसा था उसकी कमेंट्री कैसी थी लोगों की क्या सोच थी क्या सोच के जो आज हम देखते हैं कि ये क्लॉज ये आर्टिकल ये ऐसे ऐसे है उसका जर्नी कैसा रहा है आई थिंक
Nice.
it's going to be a
Right,
very
so
interesting
I have like there is one book which actually summarizes this. I'm forgetting
ये
it,
सीरीज
and-
भी बन सकती है
हाँ,
I just wanted to say that
But I'm saying it's so interesting when you actually read it. Obviously, because these are legal and
Yeah.
lawyers debating it in very legal terms, so that book simplifies everything. But it's so interesting that in some cases, people who you think come from a certain ideology will argue for this, actually argue against it.
yeah
And for some other thing, people you think will go this way actually go other way. It's very, very interesting.
Dude, I like the
But
thought of
it's such a-
like each day can be played out as a different 12 Angry Men.
Yeah,
like one topic.
exactly.
that's what
Right? So
तभी
because
I
every
said
day they
कि-
lock themselves into a room.
yeah
Okay, and then debate over a certain topic. That could also be a way of dividing the movie into chapters.
Yeah.
So like
Yeah.
chapter 1
Yeah.
is on whatever secularism. Okay, so debating secularism, right? Chapter 2 is on some other law that they want to include in the constitution. Okay,
fair,
then
I
debate
agree.
that.
तभी ऐसा है कि इसको हम
Crazy.
सीरीज भी बना सकते हैं अगर
Yeah,
हमने जैसे
yeah,
10
yeah.
एपिसोड की एक सीरीज बना ली लाइक वो हमारा इतना पार्ट ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन शोज सीजन 1 इतना पार्ट सीजन 2 इतना पार्ट सीजन 3 एंड great cliffhangers you can come up with
Yeah,
bro
yeah.
I think इससे इम्पोर्टेंट हिस्टोरिकल इवेंट हमारी हिस्ट्री में नहीं है
Yeah.
एंड इसके ऊपर अगर एक अपने को ऑब्जेक्टिव फिल्म मिल जाता है आई थिंक दैट्स अ बैंगर कंटेंट पीस
Great idea, I would say. Yes, very interesting. Again, if done
Good
with
interesting will not get greenlit.
100% not getting greenlit, but interesting that we can audacious to think of.
audacious
Yes,
yes
nice.
audacious
I like
is
it.
the right word
I like it.
Okay.
Oh,
Go next.
Okay.
I'm also not very confident about this also.
also का क्या मतलब है
Okay.
पिछले वाले का भी मैं
अच्छा,
इतना
ओ।
confident नहीं था.
okay. So the historical event
Yeah.
that I would like to be to see in
Hmm.
a movie,
Hmm.
but I also think that it could lend itself well to like a well gritty Netflix web series.
Hmm.
Is basically it's crazy. Okay. Firstly, Snail, is this episode going to come out on 19th? of
mostly
December?
yes
Okay, so this is
which
crazy.
is 4 days from now
4 days from now, which is crazy because the event I'm going to talk about literally happened on 19th December 2016.
Okay.
Okay, this is literally 9 years to the day. Okay,
भाई fuck 2016 was 9 years ago
Yeah.
that is insane,
इसकी
right?
माँ।
insane. On 19th December 2016, a young man, college boy by the name of Brandon Gonzalez
Hmm.
went for
अच्छा
a
ये देसी नहीं है
no desi.
अच्छा
He's a desi dude.
okay
This man named Brandon Gonzalez leaves home. He stayed in Goregaon, and every morning before going to college, he would go for an early morning walk into RA colony, and then come back home, then go to college, and then come back home from college in the evening. Okay, that used to be his daily routine. This one fine day, 19th December 2016, he wakes up, goes for a morning walk to RA colony, and never comes back. Okay, already your mind is thinking of various angles because RA, we know there are ghosts,
Horror,
there
yeah,
is
yeah,
there is this, there is that.
Vita,
There are also supposed to be gangs.
Yeah.
Okay, there are also supposed to be Adivasis. There are supposed to be
what
yeah,
in RA
yeah, in RA. There are supposed to be like there is supposed to be also like people practicing the occult and cultish
Yeah.
in
things
RA
in RA.
Chill, bro.
Okay,
bro मैं
because
रोज लेता हूँ RA वाला
dude,
रास्ता
the thing is, okay, they say that especially after dark, RA is not safe at all. People
मैं
get robbed.
अभी RA वाले रास्ते से आया हूँ
Not safe. People get famously robbed and whatever. at RA very often. This has happened. And if you look up,
और आज तो मैं 3 घंटे जाम में फंसा हुआ था वहां पे.
jam में तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला, of course. But you know, if you
वापसी में
especially
जाना है तुझे?
मेरे से पूछा उस दिन भाई, लिटरली पिछली रिकॉर्डिंग में मेरे को कैब वाला पूछता है आरए से चलोगे क्या, खाली मिलेगा वहां पे. मैंने कहा भाई इस टाइम पे सब खाली मिलेगा, चुपचाप मेन रोड से ले.
हाँ, RA ऐसे लेटना नहीं जाने का ऐसा.
हाँ.
Especially the auto driver suggesting it. कुछ तो nefarious हो सकता है. Maybe he has a guy. You don't know, dude.
Fair.
The world is a crazy
Yeah.
place. Okay, so this man, 19 December, left at home, did not come back. Okay, his family files a missing persons report. Okay, 3 days later, on 22nd December, a random person, like a person who lived in RA, like a localite at RA, was just there and like exploring the forest cover or whatever, walking around the forest cover area, and he sees a dead body with its head decapitated, sitting upright under a tree, the trunk of a tree, and the body was clearly had markings, like it's like some kind of ritualistic markings. Okay, it had like a cross on the left arm and on the head, which is sitting beside the body. Okay, the head had been lacerated, severed off, apparently like by surgically, like you know, like this
Very
was properly, very cleanly done. Okay, by someone who was deliberately doing this. It wasn't like you know, someone got in an argument and bludgeoned someone to death. It wasn't that. Okay, so they apparently severed the head in 2 different parts. First they cut off like the neck bone, and then they cut off like the other organ, something like that. They broke it down in this. There's a great article also, by the way, that I found on medium.com. If you want to check this out, it's called The Most Harrowing I think Unsolved Murder in Mumbai History or something like that.
Okay.
Crazy article it is. So 22nd December, the body gets found. Okay, they also then on post-mortem, when the police are called and they do the post-mortem, they find out that this Brandon's voice box and throat and tongue and larynx had cleanly been removed from the body. So they were never found, the voice box and larynx. Only the other parts of the body were found. Okay, again, the way it was sitting, it was clear, it was some kind of a ritualistic. They were also lying around the body was a little bit of turmeric, a little bit of you know, like some things that are people say are used in religious rituals or kala jadoo wala rituals also. Okay, so like certain things. Now, what happened after that is that everyone became a suspect. Okay, first they thought, okay, oh, maybe this guy, you know, saw something. He entered RA, he saw something that he wasn't supposed to, because there are these local like small gangs that exist. Okay, and because RA for years has already been a site for a lot of murders and a dumping ground for bodies, because there's so much forest cover. You dump a body, you'll never find it in RA.
I'm never going through
Okay.
that road ever again.
Dude, so that, right? So now also at the time, so when someone hears RA, you immediately go, oh, ghost, something crazy has happened. Okay, that's your first thought. ये तो पता ही होगा तेरे को, RA is haunted.
आप ही ने 3 बार बताया.
हाँ, correct. I love this. RA is my favorite area in Bombay to talk about and research about.
Sadistic आदमी.
I love it. Okay. Also, so this happened in 2016. In 2018, another case happened where a person was murdered because of some land dispute. But also he was murdered in like a very elaborate kind of fashion. But it was only for land dispute. So now some loose connection was made. Okay, could this be the person who did that? But that was never like for sure established. Okay. Now in 2021, this case has officially become a cold case. All the friends of Brandon's have been questioned. They found nothing. He didn't have any like nefarious dealings per se. Okay. One lead that they did have. Oh, this is crazy. Yeah. One lead that they did have when doing the investigation, when the body was found in 2016, when they go to the victim's house and find out where he's living and what is something else. They can find like maybe a note or suicide or whatever, right? Whatever it was. They found that Brandon used to doodle on his walls, and one repeated doodle that he used to do was a man severing the heads of animals. Okay, so now another angle got added. Okay, oh, did he willingly become a part and witness these things? Of someone doing this, like this, some kind of occult group or something, occult cult, if you were. So did he do that? Did he like offer himself up as a ritualistic sacrifice willingly? That also another angle, because if you're part of a cult, you get brainwashed into this. It's possible, right? This is how cults work. Is that especially newer members, right? they are a lot more gullible and able to be brainwashable in a way. Okay, so if you're new, some seasoned fucking cult member can convince you, oh, you'll be in heaven, oh, you'll be fine, don't worry, we'll make you this thing, we'll make you, so these things are possible and it does happen. So these kind of theories have been going around for years, but since 2021 it has been declared a cold case for sure, and 2025 there is no new leads or anything of the sort. So again, amazing story, right? It can go into so many directions just because it happened in RA. There's so much forest cover. Like for instance, just revealing some other stories around RA. Okay.
RA mini series कर दे.
नहीं.
भाई नहीं जानने.
नहीं. Quickly. Okay, like for instance, okay, Powai.
The RA files.
Yeah. So Powai Lake, right? There are two other lakes in steps from Powai Lake.
Okay.
Powai Lake is the lowest lake. Above that, I think, is Tulsi Lake, and above that is Vihar Lake.
वहीं से राइट लेकर आया मैं भी. वहीं से लिटरली वहीं से राइट लिया.
तुलसी लेक से.
नहीं, पवई लेक.
पवई लेक से, of course, वो तो है, ठीक है. तो पवई लेक, then Tulsi Lake, then Vihar Lake. I'm getting either it's Vihar Lake first and then Tulsi Lake, or either or, ठीक है. Famously, Vihar Lake, regular civilians just cannot go. It is guarded by a lot of like military and like police force because a few years back, some local gang or someone, okay, had threatened that we will poison the waters of Vihar Lake. At that time, Vihar Lake used to supply water to a lot of Bombay. So because of that, it just got cordoned off, and I've heard you still cannot visit it. So like there are crazy things that keep happening in RA. If you read up about these stories, you'll be like, dude, that is insane. That this shit happens in RA.
Any of these, भाई. Actually, मैं आपको बताऊं, dude, very funny. Like he's talking about RA. So my nani's cousin's son has a house in RA.
Royal Palms. Also, another aspect of
Royal Palms.
Dude, another aspect of RA is Royal Palms, which is completely deserted section. It is like, it was made as like this amazing, foreign looking city, Greek architecture and all. Okay. And then they got into like some land dispute or something happened. And it has been shut. So if you ever go there at night, it is scary, eerie. Dude.
But it's not shut. People live there.
No, people. Yeah. But now there are like, those are newer construction buildings that people are living in. Old construction buildings, and there are separate sections. The main Royal Palms where the whole hotel and all is there, completely abandoned. And people, shoots happen because it looks scary and haunted.
Correct.
तो भाई वो फिर सोसाइटी पता नहीं कौन सी है.
I think you went to a ghost house.
नहीं. So
it wasn't there actually.
इतना अच्छा सोसाइटी. But the thing is कि वो रास्ता.
Approach road the worst.
Bro,
the
वो
worst.
रास्ता, मैं आपको ये जेन्युइन बात है, उस कैब से जब मैं जा रहा था तो कैब वाला लिटरली ही सेड कि सर यही जाना है ना हमने, because this doesn't look like a fucking रास्ता to me. And I was like, भाई जेन्युइनली मुझे भी ये रास्ता नहीं लग रहा है, बट अब यही लोकेशन है तो मैं क्या बताऊं. तो आई कॉल्ड द डूड, आई वाज लाइक कि भाई आपका घर यहीं से आता है ना. इज लाइक हाँ वो बीच का एक छोटा सा पैच है, वो थोड़ा बट वहां से आप आ जाओ तो वो सही है. अभी सो लाइक यहाँ पे हम लोग घर ढूंढने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. या तो रेंट मिल जाए, अगर अच्छे प्राइस पे मिल जाए तो परचेज कर ले. Dude, he used to live in a 1 BHK and he literally offered, he's like, I am moving to Pune. If you want to buy this one, just like you can purchase it thoda market rate se niche le lena because you're family at this point. So I was like, just because of the rasta that I went through.
Dude, I'll tell you.
I said no. I was like, no, I'm not going to buy this one.
Dude, in addition to what you're saying, my friend used to live at Royal Palms in like 2018, 2019, 2020 के आसपास. And whenever we would go to his house, right? भैंस वहाँ पे Swiggy, Zomato काम नहीं करता.
हाँ, हमारा Swiggy, Zomato नहीं आता.
Okay, so that also is a problem because the roads are so bad, and then so इधर जाके कौन आए? पहली बात तो ठीक है. And then रात को in RA is completely dark except for 3 like junctions where there are like small eatery नहीं, चलो shops are there, like a टपरी, I think one of them is there.
हाँ, उनके घर के नीचे काफी ऐसा वो थी छोटी सी सब्जी मार्केट, फ्रूट मार्केट, थोड़ी टपरी वगैरह. बट वो भी मुझे लग नहीं रहा था रात को ज्यादा देर तक खुली रहती है.
Exactly. So also another thing that makes RA crazy and like very scary in a way is a long stretch of RA, especially Royal Palms, no network. So that's crazy. There are so many things, right? For instance, like what if Brendan entered RA and he couldn't call his family because if someone could have studied his movements. Another aspect of it.
2016 में तो और भी कम coverage होगा.
Correct. Another aspect of the theories that have come out of the Brendan Gonzalez case is that what if someone could have easily studied his activities? कि सुबह ये 7 बजे 8 बजे जाता है walk पे, Okay, वहाँ पे network, this area has no network. ये CCTV enters.
अपना पूरा शेड्यूल सोच रहा है कि बाद में मैं कहाँ जाऊँ
भाई हाँ मैं आरे से तो अब सुबह नहीं जाऊंगा
तो CCTV
Fuck this shit.
CCTV points to this direction and this direction. This entire stretch doesn't have any CCTVs. You could easily study these things if someone wants to. You know, so crazy. I think this could be an epic,
greenlit
epic way.
तेरा
Yeah.
extended universe भी हो गया
Also, you can leave it open-ended. You don't necessarily have to give it an end.
obviously
So have you seen sorry, who played Jack Sparrow? The actor who played Jack Sparrow.
Johnny Depp
Yeah, Johnny Depp. You know the Johnny Depp movie From Hell? Have you seen it? Either of you?
I've heard about it. I have
It's
not seen it.
the Jack the Ripper movie.
Oh,
Okay, where Johnny Depp's
Oh,
character is a detective.
It's based on a graphic novel.
Yes,
by
I
Alan
think you're
Moore.
right.
हाँ,
By Alan Moore, correct, exactly right.
Alan Moore, yeah.
So it's about a detective in the Scotland Yard in the 1800s when Jack the Ripper is killing
Serial killer.
women and women of the night, you know. So that also has like a great open end, but like really gets you thinking. So it could be in that vein in a way. Interesting.
Fair.
ठीक है moving swiftly forward
Swiftly तो नहीं था ये.
what's your
मैं कैसे अपना वो करूँ
segue
segue हाँ so my this is historical event right my historical event is also fairly very very recent actually 2020
आरे से तो कहीं
आरे से तो नहीं है पर महाराष्ट्र में based है 2022 में
time to shift back to Delhi and choke
2022 में जो महाराष्ट्र इलेक्शंस में जो हुआ था शिवसेना बाईपा वो गई थी बट गई थी तो माय मूवी इज सेट
Oh, I love it.
इन अ रिजॉर्ट
Oh, okay.
where
What?
MLAs are kept
being bought and
sold.
Yeah, okay.
It's
That's-
it's an IPL auction
yeah.
but political.
This is
it's a one night political comedy
Oh.
के दोनों पार्टी के लीडर एक एक
Oh,
जगह
and then one of them dies, and then it's a Knives Out movie. Great.
Have you seen the new Knives Out movie?
I've been meaning to. I've heard it's
I
pretty good.
haven't yet.
I like the first two, by the way. I
like
really
the
enjoyed
first
the first
one
one.
much more
Glass
than the
Onion
second
थोड़ा
one.
Yes, I did.
ऐसा
Same.
वो था
मेरे
but
को अपनी पिक्चर पिच करने देगा
oh yes please.
Sorry.
But I've heard the new one is also good.
Yes, that's what I heard,
the Knives Out.
Yeah.
But anyway, हाँ, so ये दोनों लीडर कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि एमएलए हमारी तरफ आ जाए,
I love
एमएलए
this.
हमारी तरफ आ जाए, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ में उनको ये भी नहीं पता कि कौन दल बदलू है और हाई कमांड का सिर्फ फोन आ रहा है बार बार कि ये हुआ कि नहीं क्या हुआ.
This is
So I see
Political satire, right? Yeah.
Political satire, but also some seeds of a Priyadarshan comedy.
Nice. I love this.
Things are happening
I really like
little
this.
bit
Nice,
यहाँ
nice,
कैरेक्टर
nice.
अजीब अजीब से हैं पॉलिटिशियन अंकल लोग जो रिजॉर्ट में बंद हैं
Nice.
you know so that is the one this thing I had real life incident but you can easily make a
Like
comedy
let's
out
call
of
it loosely based
on
the
what
scenario.
was Dhurandhar's this thing terrific real
हाँ
events
हाँ क्या था very much true events नहीं
कुछ तो ऐसे ही था.
Impossibly true events.
हाँ कुछ
based
ऐसा
on
Unbelievably
incredibly true
incredibly
events.
true
Yes,
events
that's
loosely
Basically.
based on incredibly true events.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So that was
Nice.
my idea. It's not even half as compelling as the RA horror stories.
Dude, but it's a different genre altogether.
genre, yeah,
And
yeah.
as political satire,
So-
this would be very fun. I actually
so
like it.
Okay, तो serious political film, political satire, murder mystery.
Murder mystery,
Bro, Bollywood. Fucking
What are you doing,
2026,
bro?
what the
Give
fuck?
us
I
jobs.
swear, bro. So that we can quit ours.
Yeah, dude. And
और इस मेरी वाली पिक्चर में ठीक है आपको असली वो नहीं यूज करना है
वो तो
नाम
नहीं ही
use
कर
करना,
सकते
तो
ना
नहीं
भाई
कर
ऑब्वियसली नहीं कर सकते वो तो
आपको पिक्चर महाराष्ट्र की जगह कहीं और सेट करनी है वहां भी सेट कर लो बट पॉलिटिशियंस और पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज की नेचर तो
हाँ,
सेम ही होता
वो
है
तो
जैसे
same ही
जो
है।
ये।
So
तो हाँ ये पॉलिटिकल सटायर कॉमेडी इज माय दल बदलू इज द नेम ऑफ द मूवी
nice
nice,
So, yeah, that
nice,
was my-
nice.
मूविंग ऑन टू genre what is
genre or a type of film that you would want to watch.
इसमें मैं ऐड कर दूं because my genre is actually kind of associated with this. I would like to see again this is not a genre but I would like a lot more Hindi movies based on one night events. एक रात में जो पूरी पिक्चर सेट होती है उस
Oh,
वाला
like Hello.
like Hello. Wow, what a
One
movie
night
to
at the
pull
call
out.
center.
Like, tell me you're into hookup culture without telling me you're into hookup culture.
जो एक रात में खत्म हो जाए.
Oh,
और
by the way, there's a very beautiful poem by Piyush Mishra on one night stand.
Hookup culture.
really
Bro, it's
Oh,
called
okay.
a one night stand.
अच्छा
And it's a very beautiful poem. Very beautiful. Check it out.
अरे ठरकी बिट पीयूष मिश्रा.
तुम लोग को लगता है कि बॉलीवुड में मतलब ऐसी I remember
बॉलीवुड में वन नाइट स्टैंड्स होते हैं. Yes.
2000s mid 2010s में बहुत सारी ऐसी पिक्चरें बनी थी जो एक रात में जिनके सारे इवेंट्स हुआ करते
हाँ
थे।
वो मुझे बहुत
But
अच्छी
अब-
लगती हैं
हाँ, but
बहुत
अब
अच्छी
I
लगती
don't
हैं
see that as much
I agree.
because I think
Dude,
in
the most recent one I can remember is Merry Christmas. Happened
yeah,
one
Merry
night.
yeah Merry
Christmas is a
Christmas
good
yes
example.
is one of those ones.
But yeah, I would that's as a, if you can consider that as a genre, I would like to see a lot more either one night or 124-hour cycle में
एक
जो-
दिन में क्या क्या
एक दिन में जो
या
पूरी चीजें हो जाती हैं वो
आमिर देखी आपने
हाँ मेरे
एक
वंडरफुल
40 की लास्ट
Wonderful.
लोकल.
वंडरफुल
और द मूवी जिसके टाइटल में ही है इस रात की सुबह नहीं
ये नहीं देखी मैंने
लेकिन आई थिंक वो एक इस रात मतलब वो रात मेटाफोर है उसमें
अच्छा ओ, मेरा कुछ सामान तुम्हारे पास
जैसे फैज साहब की नज्म है ना दिल नाकाम
नाकाम ही तो है
ना उम्मीद है नाकाम तो
नाकाम तो नहीं,
लंबी है गम की शाम पर शाम ही
आपने बहुत ही
शाम तो
उल्टा
है।
बोल दिया
तू बता दे सही
हाँ,
वाला हाँ।
दिल ना उम्मीद तो नहीं नाकाम ही तो है लंबी है गम की शाम पर शाम ही तो है
तो लोग बोलते हैं फैज ब्रो
ये
शाम
शाम
when is
कत्ती
morning
लंबी है
coming
ब्रो
so yeah one night stand नहीं one night movies or one day movies is one genre I would love to see more of what about you guys
nice
Okay.
Okay, I'll end the episode with my
अरे he's also genre is also
No, he's asking me to go first, so he can end the
अच्छा,
episode on
okay.
his. Abbas, get with the times, dude.
bro
मेरे
What
को
the
लगा
hell, man?
आपकी गम की शाम ज्यादा ही लंबी हो गई है
बहुत लंबी हो गई।
Yeah, so the thing is, see, yeah, so the thing is, no, I have for a few years, I've had this idea for an amazing, I feel, web series in my mind. Okay, so the thing is, I don't want to put it out in the world and then someone else steals it.
ब्रो सेम मेरे पास भी एक ऐसा आइडिया मेरे माइंड में जब इन्होंने बोला ना
Yeah.
एक रात वाली पिक्चर बनाने
Yeah.
का तो मेरे माइंड में वो फटाक से आया लाइक मैंने सोच रखा है मैंने लिख रखा है
Yeah.
बट मैं बताऊंगा तो अभी
तो genre
तो
बताओ ना guys
तो क्या करें? Should I say the idea or
genre
should I?
बता ना
Okay.
हाँ डोंट स्पिल द एंटायर आइडिया आप बस जॉनरा बता दो फिर मैं अपना वाला बता दूंगा फिर मैंने दूसरा सोच लिया
Okay, so a genre that gets almost no love in our industry is musicals.
ओके
Okay,
but all our movies are musicals
I know. Get understand. Okay, this is a kind of web series that's
Okay.
gonna be around. Okay, I'll just say it. Okay, because it's a much more compelling
Trademark.
idea if I say it.
अब ऐसा मत कर आप ज्यादा मत एक्सप्लेन करना बस थोड़ा थोड़ा दो लाइन में बता
पर ये तो
देना।
Okay.
प्रूफ है ना इस डेट पे इन्होंने पहली बार ये आइडिया बताया है
तो भाई लिखित में नहीं होता जब तक तब तक कुछ नहीं होता है
Okay, so the thing is, this idea is about, it's a comedy musical drama
Hmm.
web series. Okay,
Hmm.
the idea revolves around. So in this world, okay, everyone born in this world has a certain level of musical skill,
Hmm.
and your position in society is decided by your musical prowess. Okay, if you are a maestro, you are already in the upper class of society. If you are struggling or like a beginner or like you don't have much musical talent, you're treated as a pauper. Like you couldn't be the worst.
सो दिस
person
इज
alive.
बेसिकली ब्लैक मिरर सोनू निगम एडिशन
Yeah, sure. Okay, in this world, this the person. Okay, so it's like if you guys are fans of One Piece, the One Piece, I'm a big fan of One Piece.
Anime.
It's the anime and the manga is about the search for the One Piece. Okay, now till date we don't actually know what the One Piece is. Okay, in my world, okay, this entire thing, our protagonist is after this legendary violin. Okay, this violin, like as we know, there are these legendary violins that have existed. Okay, throughout history, throughout actual real history. Okay?
Okay.
And they say that whoever owns these violins, okay, firstly the violin itself is a piece of art.
Hmm.
Okay, and then owning this violin, a violinist will just sound the best they have ever sounded if they
fair.
play these violins. Okay, so this musician, our protagonist, okay, is after the entire story and various aspects of the story, various people in the story are all vying for the
That
violin.
one violin.
That's the MacGuffin.
ब्रह्मास्त्र
Yeah, sure. That's the MacGuffin of the story. Okay, and so your musical prowess decides your standing society. Everyone's after this violin because the violin represents something else for everyone in the story. Okay, the violin for the protagonist, who is a musical purist, for him is just, dude, I don't even want to own the violin. I just want to touch and play the violin once in my life just to have that feeling of playing the most beautiful musical instrument. That's his guiding force. Okay, someone else's guiding force is, oh, I will get this violin and I can finally show my family a better time by reaching that upper echelon of society. Okay, someone else's is he wants to own the violin so that he can manipulate someone else in like nefarious ways or anything. Okay, so the very aspects. But to me, the most interesting part of this story is how musical battles will happen. Amazing. Okay, every musical battle is an ode to an older musician. Okay, like for instance, Bappi Lahiri can actually be a character, okay, who then battles your protagonist. Like, you know, like a Pokemon battles happen, right? Like you go to a different gym and then you battle a Pokemon trainer of that gym and you defeat them, whatever. So our protagonist has to go from location to location, battling these musical maestros and geniuses or whatever,
And then eventually reach
reach his end goal. Okay, so every episode is a different genre of music.
Yeah.
Bappi Lahiri is Bappi Lahiri, listen. We can even have, like, doesn't have to stick to Indian artists. We can go to Beatles because I'm a huge Beatles nut.
fan.
Okay, I can go to Beatles and imagine like a bunch of Indian dudes playing, talking like, "Hey, so what's happening?" You know, that'll be crazy. All these things. Lakshmikant Pyarelal, would love to see that genre. Even coming to today, right? You could literally have a person playing Anu Malik and battling a musical battle in the Anu Malik style of music, right? We can have like those Qawwali can be style, can be one kind of battle. A rock band, band off or whatever, rock off can be one of those. I think this could be a great idea that I've.
Sounds like a better video game idea than like a web series.
Okay, so video game first, then into a web series. I don't mind, but the more ways I can make money, dude.
Nice.
So my idea.
Good job. Nice.
What's the genre?
Don't steal it.
Musical?
Huh?
Musical comedy drama.
Musical comedy drama. I don't know how else to describe this.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
Concept.
Yeah, it's a concept.
It's a concept.
Yeah.
ठीक है. So,
What do you guys think, though?
bro, very
Yeah,
good.
great.
Very
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
Very nice.
Okay, take it. Move on.
मतलब like there is actually nothing to debate or talk
Yeah, because
back on.
it's epic.
It's very good. Yes.
It's
no
fleshed
doubt.
out.
And it's actually
nice.
something that we haven't seen.
Exactly. Thank you.
ये
Thank
ऐसा
you,
हमने
man.
कभी कुछ देखा
Thank
नहीं
you.
है कि like एक तरीके से वो क्वेस्ट भी है, एक तरीके से वो म्यूजिकल भी है.
Dude, so in
फिर
my
वो
in my
Pokemon
head,
भी है.
have you seen Scott Pilgrim vs. the World?
Yeah.
Right? Great movie. Edgar Wright.
Yeah.
Right? So I'm thinking this is a mix between One Piece meets Scott Pilgrim vs. the World. Because a lot of the musical battles I would love to show in that exaggerated video gamey
Correct.
kind of fashion, you know, like musical notes hitting each other,
Yeah.
like how what you saw in like for lack of a better reference, like Doctor Strange, the latest one.
I was just thinking
There was that
musical battle.
Benedict Cumberbatch versus Benedict Cumberbatch, Doctor Strange versus Doctor Strange,
yeah.
the musical battle they did.
Correct.
That could be interesting in like in a way of showing musical battle in an interesting
Yeah.
way. Yeah, I think could
Nice.
be fun.
Good
Yeah.
job.
Yeah.
Okay, so the last क्या
Category.
category, the last
Choice.
recommendation to
Recommend.
Bollywood that we're just gonna give.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
just take. So the genre that I was going for is investigative journalism.
Okay.
We don't see a lot of it.
Agreed.
अभी recently I think
Dispatch आई थी मनोज बाजपेयी की.
मनोज बाजपेयी की स्कूप आया था अभी.
Scoop आया था. correct.
ठीक है. सो ऐसे कुछ शोज जो हैं वो बने हैं, बट डिस्पैच मूवी जो बनी है, बट आई थिंक जैसे वो थी ज़ोडिएक,
Yeah.
Great. I love it.
भाई वैसी कोई ऐसा तड़कती भड़कती
Dude,
इन्वेस्टिगेटिव
This is like a marriage between the Brendan
Yeah.
Gonzalez case and your genre right now, the interrogative investigative journalism.
Yeah.
नाइस. पहला पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस मुझे पता नहीं क्या है. ओ अच्छा, ब्रेंडन गोंजालेस. अच्छा वो फक. हाँ,
Yeah,
you're right.
तूने completely वो निकाल दिया कि दिमाग से आर जाना पड़ेगा.
आप इतना इंग्लिश का पिक्चरों का बात करते हो पीछे, मेरे को लगा उसमें से कुछ होगा. बट नहीं आया. हाँ, ब्रेंडन गोंजाल्वेस. यस. तो वन वाज दैट, बट इन्वेस्टिगेटिव जर्नलिज्म लिखते लिखते मुझे याद आया कि ओ यार, हमारे पास स्कैमों की कमी तो है नहीं. ठीक है. और इतने सारे स्कैम्स को जो हमें पता है, ऑब्वियसली उन स्कैम्स को ब्रेकआउट किया गया है, उनके बारे में रिसर्च हुई हैं, किसी ने तो इन्वेस्टिगेटिव जर्नलिज्म किया होगा ना उसके ऊपर.
Yeah, correct.
तो वही उठा के अगर आप एक रियल लाइफ इंसिडेंट से भी उठाओ तो आप कर सकते हो.
92 was framed like that only.
Yeah, but then eventually it became about the scamster
Correct. Yeah.
and less about the investigative journalism, right?
Yeah.
But anyway, so ये लिखते लिखते मेरे माइंड में डूड एक बहुत ही एपिक चीज आई जो आई डोंट नो again, I don't know if you've heard about it or not, but I'm sure you've heard about it.
It's about hair loss.
No, it's. Have you heard of?
God, can you
the-
appreciate that joke, please, man?
No.
What the hell?
Carry on, snail. Yeah.
Have you heard about the YouTube channel, the magazine Tehelka, जो sting operations करते
Oh, you're
थे?
talking about the Mohammad Azharuddin thing.
उन्होंने बहुत sting operation
उन्होंने
करे.
बहुत sting operations किए हैं.
Okay,
ठीक है, बहुत ज़्यादा
But before it was a
Oh.
YouTube channel, it was a best-selling magazine.
magazine. हाँ, तो
Yeah,
मैंने
yeah,
तभी
for
तो
sure.
मैंने बोला
Exposure magazine,
YouTube
हाँ.
channel / magazine.
Dude, yeah.
तो उन्होंने बहुत सारे sting operations किए हैं.
Correct.
And it was started by Tarun Tejpal and
Yeah.
Anirudh. ठीक है, but जिस चीज से वो फटे थे, proper फटे थे, that was the Operation West End,
Which is?
which basically through a series of sting operations they exposed the corruption in the defense of the country.
Oh, you mean like defense contracts and all that kind of
Yeah.
stuff? Oh, that's crazy, dude.
Bro,
Oh, that's wild. I don't know.
अभी
this.
I think very recently उसका final judgment आया and they actually convicted the person.
Like Rafale kind of shit, dude. Like,
Yeah, like it was big stuff, dude.
This
like
is even before 90s.
Yeah.
this
90s,
was
early
2000
yeah.
2001 में हुआ था ये. So this was Operation West End and dude
fascinating.
it had the country upside down. ठीक है, party presidents had to like resign कि जो लोग इसमें involved थे तहलका के साइड से, और भी कई सारे लोगों को जेल वेल जाना पड़ा.
क्या बात कर रहा है, bro?
बहुत
Tehelka introduced sting operations. Because of Tehelka, the use of spy cams skyrocketed
Yeah.
in journalism.
Oh, I know. Like, so when the Mohammad Azharuddin documentary came out,
Yeah.
again the Tehelka, the
Match fixing
Tejpal
one,
was
yeah.
one of the
Yeah,
speakers in the
yeah.
documentary,
In
and he
the
talked.
documentary, it's Minty Tejpal, Tarun Tejpal's brother.
Oh, is
Because Tarun
it?
Tejpal himself was Me Too'd and it doesn't make him.
Oh
more,
no, I don't know this.
appearances now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so Minty
Yeah.
Tejpal, you're right.
Oh,
You're
ये
right.
मेरे को भी नहीं पता था.
Okay. So anyway.
He served jail time and all.
What?
Oh wow. Dude.
Anyway, I'll tell you
उसके
about
खुद
that.
पे
off air.
sting operation कर लिया होगा.
I mean, yeah, that's one of the reasons of downfall of Tehelka.
Yeah, of
is
course. dude.
because the guy who
Of course.
founded it himself turned out to be a
When
creep.
yeah, that's
Yeah.
that's.
But
the-
anyway, how you were saying
let's
about Azhar?
No, but in the documentary they talk about the very first that they brought to India, these spy
Yeah.
suitcases
Yeah, bro.
that the person had to literally carry a suitcase into
And-
the
and
room,
keep it
and
on
keep
the
it
table in such a way
like
कि-
it's audible, capturing both. Can you imagine that?
So
Bro, इसकी वजह
It's
से
wild.
sorry, one more thing. तो जब ये tapes बने थे ना, when these tapes were submitted as proof in court, I think so. I might be wrong. People who know law
like
would
non-admissible or
so the law made some distinction to confirm whether the tapes were doctored or not. क्योंकि ना ये 90s 2000s में वीडियो जो था उसका ऑडियो क्लियर नहीं होता था, तो इन दी स्टिंग ऑपरेशंस दे यूज सबटाइटल्स टू शो व्हाट दे वर सेइंग.
सजेस्टिव भी लगता
कुछ
था.
कुछ उसमें हाँ वर्ड किसी और का नाम बोल रहा है लेकिन वो सबटाइटल में किसी और का नाम डाल
सजेस्टिव आ
देंगे.
गया
तो
वो.
उन्होंने
हाँ.
ये क्लेम किया था कि ये डॉक्टर करके वो सबटाइटल में डाल रहे हैं.
and if it's
So there was a
unclear,
whole-
then that person's
Exactly,
scot free
yeah.
because
Yeah.
of
Then,
circumstantial.
there was a
yeah.
whole thing about this also. Anyway,
So yeah, that was something that I would like want.
Dude, like another sting
a
operation
genre,
series
huh.
that could go crazy, like could be used in a movie or what a web series plot could be the Cobra Post sting operations.
Yeah. So Cobra
Right.
Post was founded by an ex-Tehelka guy, Ashish Khetan.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's interesting again.
So that's what
Okay,
like I
wow.
think हमारे कंट्री में इतने सारा ये चीजें हैं जो हम लोग जिनके ऊपर फिल्म्स बना सकते हैं, और वो एक्चुअली अगर आपको पॉलिटिकल लेंस से नहीं बनानी है मत बनाओ. जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको पॉलिटिकल स्कैम लेना है या कुछ ऐसा स्कैम लेना है. आप like you can very well be fucking making a film on someone who was an investigative journalist on a fucking Dawood Ibrahim case,
Yeah.
or on anybody else, do Tiger Menon, कोई भी. Like there are so many like things जिसके ऊपर investigative journalism छोटी चीज थोड़ी है भाई.
Yeah, Black Friday actually came
Black
out
Friday.
of investigative journalism only. Yeah.
So
correct,
I
correct.
think ऐसी films हमारे आज के टाइम में मिसिंग है. मुझे याद भी नहीं हमने लास्ट इन्वेस्टिगेटिव जर्नलिज्म वाली कौन सी फिल्म देखी है जो मेन स्ट्रीम बॉलीवुड हो. द ओनली थिंग दैट आई कुड थिंक
Jessica
ऑफ
वाला
वाज,
क्या No One Killed Jessica, is that kind of
No One Killed Jessica. I mean, sort of. You can.
बट इट वाज नॉट.
उसमें रानी मुखर्जी वाला जो कैरेक्टर था वो थोड़ा मतलब but then obviously it was
Yeah.
made more Bollywood.
मतलब थोड़ा ऐसा जोडियक लेवल हो जाए अगर लाइफ में तो मजा आ जाए. मतलब ऐसा
But David Fincher जैसे कोई मस्त
But
director
yeah,
होगा.
your Zodiac and your case, it's
Yeah,
actually marriage,
correct,
match
absolutely.
made in
Match
heaven.
made in heaven.
Yeah.
Bro, must
Nice,
hai.
bro.
Nice.
Good. We've been doing this podcast for far too long.
Our
Our
ideas,
ideas have started
yeah.
making scripts now.
dude, our ideas are completing each other's sentences. Nice.
So so Bollywood, there you go. We've given you
Bro, I
another
swear, this
half
Bro,
a dozen ideas.
all
for
of these-
all of these are very good.
Are epic ideas.
All of these are
okay?
very good.
Man, I'm very impressed by us right now.
Yeah,
I must
true.
say.
I agree. I
Yeah,
agree.
Nice,
I
nice,
agree.
nice,
Good.
nice. Bas, nice, nice.
Nice.
Okay. That brings us to the end of this episode. If you enjoyed, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video, hype this video,
Yes,
tell your
please.
friends about us. We want to grow and make more money, please. Become members. Yes,
Yes, please
Caramel tier
please become
and the
members.
Salted tier. The next announcement for the free ticket should be
Winners.
coming up.
Yes, yes,
soon.
yes. That's
And,
probably
yeah.
next episode.
Next episode should be you get your announcement, guys. One of you might be the winner if you're already a member.
Yes.
And anything else to announce before we end?
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Dude, this was a very fun
this was a
episode.
great
I
Bro,
must
very
say.
and
Man, damn fun.
content wise also very rich.
Yeah,
I
very
feel.
rich.
हम normally में
Yeah.
बकचोदी करके छोड़ देते हैं.
Bro, like
this was
no,
very good.
Dude, also I think all of us came up with like good ideas and we gave it a lot of thought because
Nice.
all of us couldn't like shit on each other's ideas like we usually do. Like any other episode
Normally
becomes
तीनों एक दूसरे के ideas को build करने
yeah,
लग
yeah,
गए. ये
correct.
ऐसा हो सकता है.
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah. So I'm very,
Bro,
very happy.
We are 2026. We're gonna actually fucking make a film now, guys.
Yes,
Yeah, bro.
yes.
Manifesting
Make it
that.
happen.
Yes, nice.
All right.
Good job.
So, guys, when am I seeing you in Janvi Kapoor's clothes next?
I mean, fine, I'll change right now.
All right. Thank you so much for
ठीक है.
tuning in, guys.
Bye.
See you.
See you
next week.
guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye.